Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview rectangular framed swimming pool. This above-ground pool provides a space to swim, splash, and have fun with friends and family all summer long. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this above-ground pool. It's the affordable alternative to a more complicated steel-walled pool, yet it provides durability and stability greater than inflatable pool options. I-frame metal provides strong support with a rust-resistant design for lasting use. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this rectangular frame above-ground pool set up in your backyard. Product benefits. The pool frame is made of corrosion-resistant electroplated metal brackets. The lightweight and durable PVC material can provide structural integrity for the pool. Convenient drain plug connects to garden hose so water can be easily drained away from pool. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.